Here at David Douglas Diamonds, we know that the two scariest stores for a guy to shop at are a lingerie store and a jewelry store. But here at David Douglas, that's not the case, and we're going to show you why. You don't have to be buzzed in here. These doors pull open really nice.
Look, we have tons of diamond engagement rings for you to see, starting at just $600.
In most jewelry stores, salespeople are paid on commission. We're not paid like that here. No commission, no pressure.
We attend all the national jewelry shows, so I'm always on top of the hottest trends, the newest styles. So I promise when you come in to see us, you're going to get the variety and selection that she wants and on any budget.
And if you can't find exactly what you're looking for, we'll come up with a concept. I'll design it for you.
And I'll make it for you right here in our custom goldsmith shop.
We put price tags on everything in the store, so you can see the price without even needing a salesperson to help you.
When you walk out our doors, you go home a hero.